Keto chocolate brownies, super easy. First, we're going to melt our chocolate using a double boiler, which is just a pot of water and a stainless steel bowl. Then you're going to add your butter. Make sure it's nice and cubed, room temperature. Now throw in your chunks of dark chocolate. Let that melt. Keep stirring until you get a smooth consistency. Then add in your sweeteners, salt, and almond flour. Mix again. Set the chocolate aside to cool. While the chocolate cools, we're going to make our egg whites. We're going to beat 3 egg whites with some cream of tartar to a nice fluffy consistency. It should look and feel like whipped cream. Now that the chocolate has cooled, we're going to add our egg yolks and mix that in. Then we're going to fold in our egg whites. You're going to gently mix it with the chocolate. Do it in little chunks at a time and just mix it till you get a batter-like consistency. Now pour your batter in a parchment lined 8x8 pan. Top with some walnuts if you like, or you can leave it as is. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. Just look at that. If you can only smell it, just fresh out of the oven. Super moist and delicious. Make it today. Special shout out to Keto Chicks. Thank you for your recipe. Follow her on Instagram. She is a genius.
Deliriously good. You're going to love this. Here, let me show you the inside. Break into this. Do you see that?
Follow me at Cooking with My Thai for more good recipes.